Hello and welcome to this Dr. Ross Maths key skill video on using Pythagoras' theorem in a circle theorem context. So we've got this triangle here, these straight edges, and we can see that this is a circle, and this side here, this straight side of the triangle, you can see touches the circle. So this side here of the triangle is actually a tangent of the circle because it touches the circle. And we know that this is the radius here, this side here, because it's a line that goes from the circumference to the centre of the circle. Now, do you know a circle theorem that involves the tangent of the circle and the radius? Well, if you remember back, the angle between the tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So the angle between this tangent and this radius, that is 90 degrees. That's a circle theorem we encountered previously. And because of that, we now have a right angled triangle that we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Because remember, if we have a right angled triangle and we're involving all three sides of the triangle, that's where we can use Pythagoras theorem. So let's just write out the triangle separately. We've got the right angle here, we've got that 3 centimetres, we've got the x up here, and we've got the hypotenuse, which is opposite the right angle, which is 5. So let's remember Pythagoras theorem. We've got a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, where c is the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle, the longest side of the right angled triangle. So that's going to be the c, which is the hypotenuse, and it doesn't matter which way these two are. That can be a and that can be b. So if we just substitute these values into this equation, we got x squared is a squared is x squared, plus b squared is 3 squared is equal to c squared, so 5 squared. If we just simplify a bit, 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. Let's subtract 9 from both sides of the equation to give you 16, and then you square root both sides of the equation. The square root of 16 is equal to 4. And it's not going to be minus 4 because you can't have a negative length. So that is the final answer.